Okay, good morning. Last class we see training and strategy for the psychological counseling of pediatrics. So that continuation we see just a review for them, whatever we can see for the last classes. Introduction about next one is incident rate and pandemic related conditions we are seeing and psychological issues due to COVID-19 we can see for them and mental health problem what are the face for the children we can see significance of training ability we can see for them what are the supports are there availability we can see for them. Next one is support for the NCPCR and for SAM VEDNA that related we can see what are the helplines related and support to protect your children we are seeing. But that's only understand the reaction of pandemic way of very that can you see is for them. Ensure the sensitive and response of caregivers, social distance related disease and providing according to age group we are seeing for them. Next one is create a safe of physical emotional environment. Three are reassurance, rotation and regulation we are seeing. Next one is keep your children busy we are seeing. Increase the children's self-efficiency we are seeing. And create your opportunity for caregiver for take care who all take care of the children that we are seeing. Seeing professional help with the children's stigma, trauma and do not resolve the related quicks we are seeing for them. So previously last class up to we are seeing this much. Today we'll see the professional help for the children for them. For example, I last for example emotional behavior change for the children due to pandemic. For example, emotional behavior means night murmurs, due sleeping time पे कोई excessive focus of anxiety, बच्चे को anxiety हो सकते हैं, increase aggressive behavior sometimes the behavior and self harm sometimes they happening for them. So according to age which the different many of mental health provided for them, especially telemedicine related is there. What are the supportive and protective your children? Emphasize and strengthening and hope and positive. Children को अब विश्वास के hope देना पड़ेंगे. Due to this is a future did not happen. So if our future positive is there, you feel safe, secure, don't worry about them. Tell about the stories for the healing of reassurance related children. For example, uh, previous past related any stories. Suppose we have previous right. For example, or chicken box is there, how to affect the chicken box, how to recovery from there. So that related we can see no that related we can everything that related to tell the some story like same like every disease can recovery related some stories you tell me बच्चों के क्या थोड़ा विश्वास आ रहे हैं they have had some. Next to support you and protect your children. For example, news coverage. For example, impact of children to mental health related you want to news. For example, poor time they have see the news means their children's mind should be affected. So that time please stop the discussing again in front of children's to virus related for them. So they have don't watch to allow for news channel repeatedly. Sometimes that like addition like happening for them. Next, help to children's coping with the changes of resulting from COVID-19. What are we can do for them? First one is सेटअप कीप द डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज. आपको फॉर एग्जांपल सुबह उठेंगे बच्चे को क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज वो प्लान करना पड़ेगा आज क्या करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज टू for example next one is your books or website based anything to help to the children to search anything new things like to help for the any project that any help for the children. Next, allow your kids to inquire about direct you. कोई भी डाउट इधर बच्चे के you can tell them to ask me. I will be clarify your doubt related. Be honest, accurate. But be honest means बच्चे के साथ be honest. You want to write this question uh, same time clarify your basic security steps and keep aware the day-to-day current realities. That all things you want to do for them. Next, keep clarification of age according to age ways you want to clarify. छोटी बच्ची की बड़ा don't tell more explanation. Okay, same like according to age ways you want to tell the clarification. Stay associated with the schools and stay with the connecting school. Suppose nowadays school is open, online classes are going, then so connect with the schools and what are the homework will be given there to help to the homework doing for the child mind diversion. Dancing, for example, in school they now teach for dancing and sometimes their musical instruments. So diversion related to help for the children and same time focus the studies also. No indication of coronas they have. want to see the no indication. Suppose children have anything means you get fear about anxiety for the COVID-19 affecting legs. Next, a model of fundamental clean, and next one is cleaning is very important way of to live life rigorous for them. Next one is stay positive. Already I told they relate to concern the message for the bright future lies to heads. Build up build up in downtime, whole family connect with the relax and enjoy the naps and movie times and simply spending with your family members, relaxing, enjoying comedy movies like you can see that level. Next one is helping to the children coping with the changing result of from the COVID-19. For example, for infant of children's mother should be continue breastfeeding much as possible for them. For suppose mother is to be affected for COVID-19 means use the proper mask for the and to wear the PP kits for them, personal protective equipments, gloves like no want to carry, and the vitamin C, zinc boosters, overall immunity booster, very supplementary syrups, multivitamins, vitamin D, calcium. So according to as per doctor advice, you take for the given to children. Continuous follow personal protective measures yourself and your child also. बच्चे को देख केयर करना पड़ेगा, मदर ऑल्सो वांट टू टेक केयर. चाइल्ड बिहेवियर लेथार्जी, समटाइम बच्चे को क्या होता है लेथार्जी लेजीनेस हो सकता है. सो that type of time you want to motivate for your children for them. Next, avoiding close the contact. कोई भी coughing sneezing इधर close में contact में avoid करना पड़ेगा. Suppose any neighborhood or anybody. Next is screening timing, video gaming, that don't take more allowed to continuous they're watching video games. For example, they have editing like happening for them, screen time they I will be affecting. So supporting healthcare workers to for them, suppose admitted hospital to as a want to support for the family members, want to support to health workers to as per government rules, so as per hospital rule regulation to follow for the big good example for them. Suppose you are role model because of father what doing same like your children's also following. So father is without hand washing, suppose they're taking food, now children also same like following because of a role model is father and mother. So that's only very important. So next, now about how you talk about COVID-19 related, you can tell, and maximum zero in the positive. That is, you can teach for your children. Next one is helping the children cope with the changes of the COVID-19. Suppose children is will be observe the adult behavior or emotions, any big changes are not during difficulty times. Want to watch it. Next same time extended a possible modible claim. For example, exercise, yoga, chess, skipping, carom board. According to indoor games should be play for them. Next one is listening some music or anything for them, and listening acknowledge that their difficulty. You have cooperate with children to obey for them, generating hope. The idea will be we want to give चिल्ड्रंस को विश्वास देना पड़ेगा. प्रोवाइडिंग इमोशनल सपोर्ट यू वांट टू गिव. सपोज बच्चे को कोई दिक्कत होते हैं इमोशनल सपोर्ट देना पड़ेगा. अवॉइडिंग फर्दर रूमर्स, अननेसेसरी रूमर मत करेंगे. सपोज व्हाट्सएप में कुछ भी फॉर एग्जांपल एनीथिंग दे हैव coming for them, forwarding message likes, do not believe for them. You can visit the official website and to believe for them. Don't believe for everything easily to for them. So where some message is wrong, some message correct message will be happen. So don't believe or everything. First you analyzing this is correct message or not. Next one is practice or mindful exercise, present muka yoga, likes the type of activities. Not only children, with the family members are doing better for them. Example, walking, going for them, and don't get panic family members. Suppose बच्चे को कोई दिक्कत हो गया, family members panic नहीं होना पड़ेगा. So you want to isolate for them, how to care for the children. Otherwise, if you more sick, go to hospital, meet the doctor, counseling with your family doctor. Like so, the preference of relaxation and same time clarify the social grooming. This all thing want to do for the helping the children coping with the changing of result of with COVID-19. Next, help desk. What are the helpline desk is there? For example, according to WHO, helpline children for coping stress during to 2019 outbreak for them. That is in PDF. You have the you can see WHO website. Another from helpline in India, for example, 104 is the number is there. Niman's COVID-19 X-rate helpline is there. In Delhi, the photo stress helpline is there. If you want to, you note it. That helpline will be helpful for the prevent from stress. Next one is Niman's already told. Psychosocial issues related reference COVID-19 telecounseling already given for telecounseling given for children, especially all regional languages they given for them in the for example Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, Marathi, that whatever the language is, there's a regional language, 6 languages that they are providing. I think this series was launched to September in this 2020 continuous support for the children, the difficulty time of during the pandemic situation. Next one is, so with that is another one is thing, psychological support for the children, especially stress, anxiety, fear, any issues during to pandemic. The service of helpline is given to Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., 3 a.m. to 8 p.m. that providing the psychological support to the children from the stress, anxiety and fear issues related. This is the for the WHO helpline and Indian helpline for NIMANS, and some with their helpline is there. Next one is telecounseling. What type of counseling will be given for them? Children who are quarantined, isolated, COVID-19 care center, they given counseling for them. Children who are have COVID-19 positive, the parents giving counseling. Family members, near ones, anybody, they counseling for them. Children who have lost their parents due to COVID-19. Suppose koi bhi father ko they have, suppose anybody, father, mother, anybody death ho gaya, and they grief, they have children is their feeling. That time they have their children's giving for them. Mental care act will be started on 2016 onwards. Self-management. What are the self-management approach we will be given? First one is breathing exercise. बच्चे को breathing exercise, relaxation, medication, distraction. बच्चे को थोड़ा दूसरा काम करने के distracting mind diversion करना पड़ेगा. Physical activities for them and learning about the stressful how to there. This 5 things want to mainly do for them. Self-management approach for the children. Breathing exercise, relaxation, medication, distraction and physical activities. Learning about the stressful. Next one is, how might I keep my kid from the getting COVID-19 disease? For example, suppose how to might keep my kid away from the getting COVID. And for example, what we'll do? Actually, distance remaining. For example, if how your children is going to clinical treatment or right to supplies for the actual distance should be maintained for them. Next, wear the proper covering, nose mask for them, not full cover for them, especially if nose and mouth should be properly covered for them. Next one is, use 72% of our sanitizer surface for them, not only hand sanitizer plus surface sanitizer want to use for them. That like you want to do. Next, how can I prevent from my child from getting COVID-19 infection? Next one is, every 18 years above the old age of they get isolated for them, and try to public capacity, keep away from them together the bunch of playing group of playing के बच्चों को allow मत करना पड़ेंगे. They have CAP, cognitive appropriate behavior therapy want to given for them COVID-19 related kids for them. For example, any significance if you see means. Next one is severe use, one is go to hospital, otherwise to as per online counseling take for the doctor, take the prescription and purchase from the any medical shops for them. Next one is psychological well-being issues for them without any solution we want to given for them. Mental treatment for mental destructive and propensity, it is want to given for the children for them. Next, to prevent for mental health care for the children during COVID-19. First one is allowed for the children talk to the phone. उस बच्चे को allow करना पड़ेंगे, family को, friends को, family members को बात करने के, parents के understand होना पड़ेंगे, children's के feelings, sadness सबको. Next one is provide the counseling to mental health support देना पड़ेंगे बच्चे को, and break to the pattern of drug abuse. इसके बारे में break करना पड़ेंगे. Suppose बच्चे को थोड़ा बच्चे के गलत चलने के chance हो सकते हैं, so should be avoiding for them. So mental health counseling is there available in India to take care for them. Stay in the touching with a pediatrician. Always touch with a pediatrician. Any problem, anything you are clarify them. Dealing with the loss of loved once COVID-19. Suppose already I told, suppose any family members death हो गया, so special attention want to given for them. Professional counseling to the managing their loss of grief. Suppose एक family में suppose father death हो गया, so children's को how they want to give counseling for them, so attention want to give some. So next question you are also happening for them, when will be India vaccinate for children? This question is there. So 2 vaccines are available in India, will be Bharat Biotech, is the drugs control of general India. They have trial is going on there. Maybe Fair, so many is there. So Indian government seeing expected approval for both way to COVID-19 vaccine. They trial to for them as soon as maybe they're providing vaccination for children. The trial version is going on. Future upcoming the month or any days we can expect it for them. We are waiting for that news when will be India vaccinated for children. Next one is children rights of body to rights to stage of center. For example, National Commission protective for the child right is there. The child right body is said to for the protect the country for them, especially this third way you want to protect for the children's neonatal, especially this all the reference for them for my this much of date yesterday classes and today classes for them. So thank you all of you. We'll see next classes.